Okay.
Alright, so
Chase
today...
is about to eat doo-doo.
Record me.
Chase is about to eat doo-doo.
Alright, today I'm going to be showing y'all how to exactly eat doo-doo in the perfect way. First of all, you take your doo-doo right here. Doo-doo. Take the microwave.
Chase is about to put it in the microwave.
Put it in there.
That's so not cool, Chase.
5 seconds.
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
And that's not enough. Then you're gonna put it in.
Yes, but you're gonna.
8 more.
But you're gonna But you're gonna burn the stove, Chase.
Then 8 more seconds.
Chase,
goes
but
by.
you're gonna burn the
And then,
stove.
shut up, Paige. I'm putting doo-doo in there. It's alright. Hey, and then it's done. And then you take it out, which this is not really good, but for y'all, I'm gonna do it. You scoop it a little bit, right here. Rub it around your mouth for the extra doo-doo-tastic list.
What the hell?
Chase is about to eat doo-doo.
And eat it.
He ate a doo-doo.
Wait, I'm gonna swallow it. Come here.
That's a fun
I'm gonna
thing.
swallow it. I swallowed it. But let's go eat some more.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay, but Chase, can I eat some?
Yeah, here, you want some doo-doo?
Oh, say less.
Eating doo-doo. Doo-doo. Look, my doo-doo.
Chase, move.
Move, Lord. More doo-doo.
Chase,
I'm gonna go close you.
I don't need this.
That's not a spoon, Dominic.
I don't care.
Show them your spoon. Show them your spoon.
I have a fork
That's a
because
spoon,
there's
bro.
no
Nah, that's a spoon.
I have a
Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
fork because there's
Yeah,
no
he
more
gotta-
spoons.
he gotta eat
So
the
yeah.
ice cream.
So watch this.
Yeah, look, you gotta eat doo-doo with a,
Yep, I'm about to eat doo-doo.
with a fork.
That's
Here, I'll record it. I'll record it.
okay, Chase.
She's eating doo-doo with a fork. Yeah, I got an extra flibble.
Let me doing this.
Alright, I was gonna record you. That was you. You get a little mad.
Have to put it right somewhere. Good.
Okay,
No, I'll put it right here.
You should have put it right there. You can't even see you. Do it right here. Smarter.
Today I'm going to be. Stop.
I'm recording you.
And what's your this? Chase.
Eat that doodle. Eat that doodle. I'm eating more doodle. Move.
Yes, I'll eat some too.
That's doodle.
Give me it. No.
Sorry for no outro, but yeah. I didn't even record it on my phone, so I couldn't really make an outro. So yeah, that's it for today. That's bye for now. I haven't posted in a long time, but yeah, that's it pretty much.
You have to do something. Okay, press a hand. Okay, you have to say something too. Chase, you have to say something too. Chase, you have to say something too. Is that right? Say something too.
No.
Chase.